What's up guys, this is Tampa Tech and I'm going to show you a very common repair for any camcorder or camera that has a flip screen. So right here, none of the buttons are working on the touch screen or the side panel right here, which is the pause, play, rewind, forward, and the zoom features are not working. So what I'm going to do here is get my micro Phillips head screwdriver, remove any visible screws. Sometimes they could be hidden behind stickers or tape or rubber covers. You just pop off the rubber covers and expose those micro screws. Try to pop open that back plate and it's still not coming off. You don't want to force anything. So let's go ahead and look for any other hidden screws. Now this repair is on a Sony handycam, but it applies to Samsung, cameras, or even Canon cameras, any camera that has a flip screen. And looks like I found the micro screw. I just had to turn the LCD and expose it to the back right there. And so this is the third screw I am removing. And spinning it around again to expose the other screw. And this looks like the last screw right here. And then the back cover should pop right off using a flathead screwdriver. So I'm just going to flip around my tip and use the flathead side to pry off the back plate. Now a friend of mine gave me this camcorder to fix, and he was going to be charged $75 to repair this, but I did it for free so I could do a video and show you guys or help anyone else that needs a similar repair. So after removing that back plate, exposes all the ribbon cables connections, and so opening and closing this flip screen over a period of time, some of your ribbon cable connections become loose. So right here I'm just going to reseat all the connections since I'm back there anyway. And after reseating all these ribbon cable connections, you can tape them down to secure them or use hot glue to secure the ribbon cables to the board so this won't happen again. Right here I'm removing the display ribbon cable, and then behind that display ribbon cable is a thin small ribbon cable, and I believe that is for the buttons, and I think that is the reason why it's not working. You can see it's right next to that hinge. So I'm going to reseat that connection, and hopefully this point on it would work. And you want to make sure when you slide in that cable it's flush, and then go ahead and clamp down on that latch to secure the ribbon cable. Before you put it all back together, you want to go ahead and turn it on and test it out and make sure it works. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use some of the features: the zoom, pause, play, make sure all the features work before putting it back together. It looks like rewind is working, play is working, record looks like it's working, and looks like all the features are working pretty much. So let's go ahead and put it back together. If your camcorder is freezing up or it's acting funny, you can hit the reset button in this pinhole, and hopefully that would fix the issue. So if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up, and if you know anyone that is having issues with their flip screen, go ahead and share this video to them, and subscribe to Tampa Tech for more how-to videos like this one. Later guys.